that.
A mega ex-servicemen rally was organized by Headquarters 101 Area, Indian Army and Rajya Sainik Board, Meghalaya at Tura yesterday. Speaking at the gathering as the chief guest, Lok Sabha MP from Tura, Agatha K. Sangma, said that there are many personnel who retire at a young age, but their contribution does not necessarily need to end here. She said that the government has initiated many schemes like the CM Elevate and promotion and incubation of market-driven enterprises, Prime, wherein these personnel can upgrade their skills and utilize the resources to hone their entrepreneurial skills. Meanwhile, Colonel Gautam Rai, the director of Rajya Sainik Board, Meghalaya, said that the rally in Tura has been organized so as to mitigate the trouble faced by the ex-servicemen and their families living in Garo Hills.
So that a 5-year period is covered and they don't have to run from this.
I am extremely happy to say that on 10th of June 2019, the Honorable Chief Minister had inaugurated the Zilla Sainik Welfare Office at Tura, which was long pending. This office was very essential to look after the welfare of ESM, widows and their dependents of 5 districts of Garo Hills.